Hi, welcome to Everyone Can Jam. This is a place where everyone can learn to play music, and this is lesson 2 in a series about technique. So if you did not see lesson 1, make sure you find that. And what we're going to do is take what we learned in lesson 1 and develop that a little bit. So just as a quick review, what we did in lesson 1 was we started with a nice straight wrist. The light looks weird, sorry. Nice straight wrist. And relaxed fingers. They kind of curl when they're relaxed. And we brought the thumb to meet the middle finger. And then without moving anything, except maybe opening that just a little bit, we put the guitar down in between, keeping the wrist in about the same position. And then right here in the middle of the neck, we found a spot to squeeze. Right now I'm on the 5th fret on the 3rd string. So I'm going to keep my wrist straight. My thumb is behind the neck. Exactly where your thumb goes depends on you, depends on your guitar, depends on the shape of your hand, the length of your thumb, and things like that. So be open-minded about where your thumb is and be observant about what works and what feels the most strong and the most relaxing. So we just learned how to squeeze here right close to the fret, not in the middle. It's more liable to buzz if you're in the middle. You want to be close to the fret. And then just shake it out and go somewhere else. And try to maintain that nice, get used to maintaining that nice straight wrist. And just, it's amazing, the more I've studied and learned about the brain and musical development, every sound you make, everything you do in life changes your brain physically, permanently. So, as you develop musically, every note you make, whether you like the way it sounds or not, is developing. It's all good because your brain learns what it likes, what it doesn't like. It learns where these sounds are on your instrument, and it's all good. So just squeeze here and there and focus on your technique. We improve everything by focusing on one thing. So focus on your technique right now. Get in the habit of squeezing close to the fret. So that's one thing we can do, is just let go and make your healthy shaped hand and squeeze here and there and make a good sound. So again, find a place that's comfortable for you where you can most easily make a good sound. Make sure your technique is still good. Your fingers that you're not using should be close and relaxed. You don't want them sticking out like that. You don't want them tucked under here. Close and relaxed. And then try, go nice and slow. Try to move as little as possible and just put another finger down in the fret right next to where you were. And going slow helps a lot. What we're trying to avoid is when you're an adult beginner, or even probably if you're a teenager, there's a lot of things you've done with your hands other than play guitar. So when you go to use your fingers, your brain tells your fingers to do strange things that they don't really need to do when you're playing the guitar. So going slow will help you do only what you need to do and not do other strange movements. So for example, what I said before, like when we go to move, it's easy to go like that, or to bring fingers back. So just go slow. Try not to do anything except just the little bit of motion it takes to switch fingers. Nice and slow. Okay? I suggest starting with the middle finger and just go one down. And don't move your wrist. What we're avoiding, you don't want to do that when you change fingers. Just bring that down really slow, okay? And just play those 3. We're not going to worry about pinky finger yet. We'll get to that later. So, Let me know how that goes. You can actually post videos if you have a question of yourself playing, or you can ask questions, and you could post a comment and send me a link. And so if you don't want to miss anything, please visit www.everyonecanjam.com, sign up for my email list, and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, because those things actually make a difference and help make it so I can do more of this kind of work, which is what I want to do because I love it. So let me know how it goes, and I'll see you soon.